That's okay.
Oh, that's too much.
Yeah, I'll
What?
take that. All right, now you want to pour that into the bowl?
Wait. I'll make a man.
Perfect. Good job.
Oh, no. Okay, all empty.
Now we're going to do the butterscotch.
Okay, give me the vodka, please.
There we go.
You
Pour that in there. All right, good job. Let's cut it off.
I need some to live. Okay,
All right, Elijah.
our event.
Go ahead.
No, don't do that. It won't.
Go ahead, Elijah. It's okay.
But you want me to do it here?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we did something. Okay.
Perfect.
Put some microwave. Do the blue, please.
Nope. You just close the. You just want to close the door now.
And then the method.
And put number 1. Do you know what number 1 is?
Yeah.
What's number 1? Other than you. Hey, there you go. Yeah. Good job. And then we'll stir it up. We'll stop and stir it as we go. Now we.
It melts.
Stir, stir. Stir slowly. Maybe not that slow.
It's going to cool off.
Good job, Elijah. Elijah, what does it look like?
This is a poopy.
Looks like poop. It's not going to taste like poop, though. What does it smell like?
Poopy.
Pour some of these in.
Yeah. Why?
Here, I'll pour it in. You stir. Okay? Stir, stir. Good job. I'll pour in some more, okay?
Okay. It's a hat.
Mm-hmm.
Another one is feet.
Good job, baby.
This is very cool. Oh. Yeah, mommy.
Wow.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah. But I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not gonna eat the cut it burns.
Is there a bird in there?
Yeah, it burns. Everything is burns. But here, but here.
Okay, you just gonna eat the nest?
No.